Hello, I'm Richard Payne from Holdan, and we've been exhibiting at the BroadcastShow tour. I'd like to take you through a variety of kit we've got on our stand. We've got some PTZ cameras from Panasonic, PTZ pan-tilt zoom cameras. We've got the HE120, which is a 3-chip high-quality PTZ, which is suitable for sort of broadcast applications. We've also got the new HE60 PTZ camera, which we're showing as a totally remote wireless camera. So that's actually over on the other part of the stand, and we're sending the pictures wirelessly to our mixer and sending the machine control wirelessly as well. So that's an unusual way of showing it. And finally, we've got the small but beautifully made HE2 PTZ camera. For about £700, the HE2 gives you a very wide field of view, but also the ability to do digital zooms up to 2 times without losing any resolution. So, unlike other cameras, as soon as you touch digital zoom, you lose resolution. With this one, you can zoom in, pan across an image without losing it. And at the low cost it is, it represents fantastic value for money if you're looking for a PTZ to cover the back of an event or a particularly wide shot. What else have we got here? We're showing the HPX255 camera and an EC4 remote control. So this is an unusual camera from Panasonic because it can be both an ENG camera for being used out and about, but also plug it into a EC4 CCU, and you can use it in a studio as well. So it becomes a very versatile camera for use in studio or on location. We're also showing the AC90 camcorder from Panasonic, which is a low-cost 3-chip camcorder with XLR inputs and very good manual control from the 3 rings. You've got zoom, iris and focus. So that's been going down very well here. And all of our cameras here are plugged into an SE2800 mixer from Data Video, which is an 8-input mixer, or with an upgrade you can turn it into a 12-input mixer. And this can mix HDMI inputs. It has 2 HDMI inputs as well as 8 HD SDI inputs in its basic form, or 2 HDMI and 12 HD SDI in its upgraded form. So that's allowing us to switch the feeds onto the monitor here. The wireless camera, the wireless PTZ camera, which I talked about earlier, the HE60, is being controlled from this RP50 unit down on the table. The RP50 is wirelessly linked using our Intratec Bridge product. Now, also here at the BroadcastShow tour, we're showing Metis Ingest, which is a system capable of recording up to 4 simultaneous HD SDI inputs into pretty much any format you want to. So if you're recording ISO feeds from cameras, you can record into S/S or AVC Intra or H.264 codecs. It's like having the world's most flexible VCR. You can also record one source into 4 different flavors if you want to. The Metis Ingest systems are available in 2 inputs, 3 inputs and 4 input systems. At the end we're showing the Proxys PX unit, which is an asset management system capable of backing up footage from AVC Cam, from P2, from Sony S/S XT Cam formats, and a huge variety of other formats. So this as an asset management system, it records a low resolution proxy as you play your files into it, which can be viewed over the internet, and backs up the full resolution content onto LTO tape. So it makes for a very cost-effective asset management system for backing up your digital rushes. We've also got some equipment. We also have some Teradek equipment on the stand. We've got the Teradek Cube, which is a versatile H.264 encoder, which can either stream live to the internet, or it can encode to low-resolution proxies of your rushes, and it can also stream live to an iPad or iPhone to use for remote monitoring. So we're showing a 155 cube, which has HD SDI input, and we also have a new product from Teradek called the VidiU. It's hard to say that, the VidiU. And a VidiU is an HDMI only device, but at very low cost. For about £400 you can stream live to live stream or Justin TV or one of those internet service providers to give your live production out to a wide internet audience. This is the Blackmagic part of our stand here at the BroadcastShow, and we've got a variety of equipment from Blackmagic Design that we're showing off here. In this rack unit we've got a couple of sets of SmartView Duo Blackmagic monitors. We've also got an ATEM1 production switcher, a couple of Hyperdeck studios which are playing back the video feeds which I'm showing through the Vision Mixer, and the fantastic Terran X processor, which is capable of HD to SD and standards conversion from PAL to NTSC, frame rate conversion, a whole load of aspect ratio and other conversions at a very high quality. There's also a router, a smart router down here, so we can route video systems around. So it's a way of demonstrating a lot of Blackmagic technology in one compact area. Here's the broadcast panel for the ATEM1, so the Vision Mixer panel for mixing live events through an ATEM1 or an ATEM2 or even an ATEM TV studio unit. Also we have here a cinema camera from Blackmagic Design with a Zeiss Compact Prime on the front, so producing some beautiful cinematic images and wowing the crowd here. But of course everybody's waiting to see the two new cameras from Blackmagic Design as well. But the cinema camera has gone down a storm here. I've enjoyed being on the Broadcast Show tour, and I think it's been a very worthwhile experience for Holdan, because we've met a large variety of customers or potential customers at each of the venues. We've had some good conversations, and there's been a more laid back and relaxed feel than you get at traditional trade shows. So yeah, overall it's been a really positive experience.